Can I just start off by asking you to put some colour on the quarter for us? Clearly, strong capital position here and a decent uplift on the quarter-on-quarter net line.
Thank you very much. Very nice to be on your show. I think we have seen is quite broad-based rebound of our revenue, both in retail and wholesale banking, with strong fee growth. Our cost efficiency programs are tracking well with quarter-on-quarter reduction in terms of our cost evolution, and also quite benign economic situation with our risk costs coming in below our through the cycle average. So very strong quarter, very broad base, and it shows a clear sign of exit from the current COVID situation for us.
And a positive line on the NIMs here about the support and the benefit from the TLTRO program, but clearly there is continued margin pressure from the fact that we have negative interest rates in the Eurozone whilst you're trying to make a decent net interest line. Do you expect that trend to continue through the rest of the quarter and most of 2021?
We do. I mean, despite the uptick in the yield curve, negative interest rates still weighs on most European banks, including ING. And we are, of course, taking steps in terms of fee generation, in terms of, in some instances, charging negative rates to our customer base. But most importantly, looking forward to continued loan growth across the world to basically compensate for that compression in terms of liability income.
Tanate, I saw an announcement to that tune from Belgium, ING Belgium, where you're talking about charging customers with a balance of more than 250,000 euros on those savings. They will now pay a fee. What's the trade-off here? Will some of those customers park the money elsewhere?
Yes, it's also something that we have to do, but I would stress that the number of customers affected by this new charging is limited. Over 90+% of our customers still don't get charged negative rates. But there's a trade-off and there's a competitive, of course, comparison with other banks in Belgium as well. And we do that in other parts of our European market. So it's something that I think the market is having to adjust to given the long-term negative interest rate in this environment.